Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, December 31st. Happy New Year's Eve to all of you. Next week, we will come in here and it will be a brand new start to the year. And make the most of it. Be grateful for all of the lessons and maybe trials and tribulations you've gone through this past year. But more so, be ever mindful of all of the blessings and maybe those hidden blessings that we don't really see at the time. To really go back, evaluate your year. It's also a good time to kind of go back and assess where you were trading wise. It became a very choppy year, so that's what made it very difficult for a lot of traders. We didn't go just straight up, but for the most part, we still made some really big gains this year. As we got a little more choppy, we lost sight of that. So I wrote these down for the SPY. We are up 27% on the year. For the Dow, we are up 18.9%. And for the Qs, the NASDAQ, we are up 22%. Those are some really big gains amid the constant battle of the pandemic and how to deal with it. Inflation, so a lot of pressure coming on the market. Those are amazing gains. So take those, write those down, and compare them to how you did. And maybe that's a good place to start to find out where to maybe tweak and learn and adapt to the ever-changing market. But I want to also quickly say I'm so thankful for every one of you here, and I hope to continue to grow our family. And although we may change a little bit and evolve, that we are still part of a family. In fact, I feel like I know an awful lot of you very well, and you do feel like family, which is kind of fun because a lot of you have not met. So anyway, this is what we look like going into the end of the year. We had a pretty big week, and then we started stalling off. We're still up on the week, though. I hadn't noticed that until it was pointed out to me by someone else. Right, we're still up on the week. 2 straight weeks. We broke out of this previous resistance level and probably look here to put in a new box. That would be pretty common as we make new highs. We put a new high in just yesterday on the SPY. Okay, so let's hop into it. I don't really have that many charts. I'm not looking to take any new longs. I did hop into PayPal yesterday. And I will look to add to this position just a little bit higher, maybe around the 195.50. Looking to capture a slower move up here toward the 50. Another one I didn't add to, but I really do like the looks of here is Disney, getting ever closer to that 50. So just keep an eye on all of those. All right, but semis. Okay, so the semis really chopping around here. Micron, really quite a strong name in the sector right now. We step up, we took a break, step up, we took a break, taking a break here. This morning we're coming in a little bit green off of the close, looking for a move higher, and there's Lexi. Looking for a move higher here. Today I would be watching the 95s, probably more for a day trade versus a swing trade. All right, we have Facebook. Facebook, nice move up. Looks like a potential bull flag. We also put in an inside candle yesterday, so we're looking for a break of yesterday's candle. If it breaks to the top side, go long. If it breaks to the downside, that would be a put play. I'm leaving this trend line in here because that was the resistance there for quite a while, so we want to make sure that we don't just come back and then follow that trend line back down. In Facebook, I would look at the 350s. Viacom, nice bullish candle yesterday. Popped us out of this squeeze that we had with the 3, 8, and the 20 stretching up here. I like this over yesterday's close. I like the 32.50s on that. And I would also just kind of keep a watch on a couple of the others, like PFE. The CDC is getting ready to put out guidelines for booster shots for children. So keep an eye on all of these. PFE, mRNA working on a nice little reversal as well. BNTX, nice move yesterday, pushing it back up over the 200 and testing the 8. So over the 8 looks good. So I would keep an eye on several of these. All right, that is it for me this morning. Super short. I will be in for early in the morning. Lexi is here at home with me, so you will hear her in the background if you join our screen share. And then I'm going to be headed out early, going to watch the Cotton Bowl with some friends and have our last holiday party. All right, I hope you have an amazing new year. Stay safe and be blessed.